Guys, we're finally taking out the Cybertruck. You guys have been waiting for this. We're sketchy drivers. We're sketchy content creators. What are these guys saying? You guys going or? I didn't create no traffic jam. I parked in the handicap spots. Oh! It's okay, I know the owner. Watch it, Thunder. Oh my God, he was coming so fast. I lost the bridge, man, the bridge. The perfect is like beyond perfect. Guys, we're finally taking out the Cybertruck. You guys have been waiting for this. It's been not a full year. February will be 1 year. It's only November, but the truck is finally done to our standards and we are ready to showcase this beauty. I hope you guys are excited. Enjoy the show.
Harv's driving? Yeah, Harv's probably gonna drive the Escalade, right?
Yeah, he's gonna drive the Escalade. And I'll drive this. Are you coming with me?
I'll come with you.
Yeah. Okay.
You got my car keys?
I put it in the drawer.
Wait. Yeah, look at you. You're matching. Matching color. I just forgot about the screen.
Sick, right?
It's so hard to see it on camera though because of the glare. I forgot.
We'll get it like when it gets darker, because you'll see it. Big boy jug.
I'm gonna go to the washroom today.
You know what? I should have peed. Should I go quick? Or should we just get out of here? Weird in my face, like a vagina?
No, you're fine.
All right. It's like a 70s pom pom right here. What up?
Brother,
How are you?
how you doing?
Good to see you.
Yeah, here's your
Oh, thank you, man.
little envelopes.
So gonna go downtown with it, show the car off a little bit.
Yeah, what is this?
It's a printed wrap.
The latest?
Yeah, it's all printed on there, yeah.
Very nice.
Full branding.
I got you.
Yeah, so my co-op student's here. This is his dad's car. His dad is the one that's there because he's flying the drone. So yeah, he does dronography and all that. See, we even have a landing pad on the roof here.
Beautiful.
On this roof. On this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you look from the back, you can see everything. Like if you look directly from the back. Yeah, 1,600 stars.
Nice.
Yeah.
And 1-star driving it.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
So good seeing you.
All right, buddy.
Contact me. We'll touch base soon.
Okay.
Jerky this thing is.
Oh yeah, we gotta be back in one of these.
Yeah.
Regenerative braking.
Oh, can we turn this regenerative braking off?
Every time we're in.
It's gonna make me sick. Trevor, we gotta turn this off. Nero's gonna get motion sickness. 34%. You guys didn't have this on the charger past couple days? It just takes forever. See, Tesla problems. So you need gasoline, boys. Woo! That's a fire spec. Wow. That's a very nice spec. Okay, I gotta adjust mirrors and all that stuff. Where's the mirror setting? Bro, that thing sounds crazy. He's gone. He's flying up the bridge. That was a beautiful spec. Yeah, Brooklyn gray with the red interior. Had competition bucket seats.
I love how you can even have to see the inside of the car.
I can see everything.
Oh, it's
Tight. This thing's a tank. Should I just pull up right here?
This is gonna be sketchy.
Oh yeah. All right.
This is.
We're sketchy drivers. We're sketchy content creators. Where's the emergency light button on this? Oh yeah, there we go. See, you learn something new every day. Go, it's go time.
We're going.
Oh, hold on. Where is the drone? Oh, I see it up there. All right, go. It's crazy that you can see the back of the truck. Like, look at that.
No way.
That's crazy.
That's great.
Cut past and I'm gonna cut right behind. Go. Yo, Harv, cut to the left so we can get side shots. There's a biker too, so be careful, eh? Super smooth. Kangaroo arms. Let's go, baby. Yeah. All right, cut to the left again. Cut to the left. Cut to the left.
Wait.
Cut to the left.
Oh, he's adjusting.
Ah, should have got that one with the buildings. Yo, boss, get the bridge. Oh, boss, the bridge, man, the bridge. All right. They already hate the Tesla guys. Oh, it's actually a very, very nice day. What are these guys saying? You guys going or? I didn't create no traffic jam. I parked in the handicap spots. What's your shot that you want now? And you're gonna come through?
No.
You should go through again. Like, go through right to the water. It'd be like transition shot from the shop, like going into the ocean. Oh! It's okay, I know the owner. He looks like an alien, bro.
Another cool shot that I was thinking is we would bring the drone down and land it on the ground, but leave the motors running. And have the Cybertruck drive over it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Do that.
So we'll be filming facing this way. The truck will drive this way over it, and
Yeah.
then as soon as the truck passes, I jump up and follow it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we can do that even right here.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good with this shot here?
Yeah.
Don't drive over it.
I won't. Let me know when you're ready. Is he good? Drive over it? Did he say drive over it? Yeah? Shit. Oh, shit. What happened? Did he go up too high too fast?
Fucking hit the.
Trying to take this thing off road, you know?
Keep plowing through.
He has to start using the.
What's faster, Cybertruck or drone?
I don't know. I think the Cybertruck might take it, bro.
Block the lane with the truck.
Watch it, Tundra. Oh my god, he was coming so
Let me
fast.
go here. Then we'll pass.
Everybody,
They can let us through.
Let me tell him, Charlie. Ah, he didn't go.
Well,
Thank you so much.
my bad, bro.
Yo, pull to the left, Harv. Get these trees. Tell the boss to get these trees. Some of these fall action with these colors on the truck. Bro. The white color looks crazy.
Is he filming or is he on the phone?
No, he is filming. Why would the boss be on the phone and hanging outside?
Bro, he's on a phone call right now.
Is he actually?
Oh yeah.
No worries. Okay, I'm literally shooting a Cybertruck right now. I'll talk to you soon. I'm hanging outside of a car right now downtown. On my life. On my life. Okay.
I'm dead. Business. You know that little guy? What's that guy's name? The little Russian guy?
Hasbullah?
Business. Yeah, Hasbullah. Hey, boss. Business. I was young. The business calls, eh? Yeah, that's crazy. That's a true entrepreneur right there. Can I adjust the ride height while oh, I can go low. Look at that.
Oh.
You drop down. Should I go all the way high up? Oh, you can't.
Up to full. There you go.
Is it? Oh, is it all the way up?
Now it's going to.
Ride it like a truck, and then I'm gonna dump it down while we're driving.
Never been in an off-road boat on.
Is Michael?
And then we can even quickly
Hey,
extract
where-
what you see in the
Oh,
fire.
no.
When
Where's the
we're
mic?
We'll put it in
Wait,
extract.
I still get swear to your crotch somewhere because I'm still getting reception. I'm still getting signals. God. Oh, it's right. Hey.
Boom, boom! I got it. Where's the magnet? Oh my god. The magnet's here somewhere. All right. Oh. Let's keep it right here for now. Oh, the water. Damn, we missed the water shot. Damn it. Damn it.
Should we do a quick crossover?
Quick crossover now?
No, but the traffic is crazy. Okay, cross. For a Wednesday?
Oh, that's so unexpected.
I guess everyone's just sad from the Jays. We're like on town. Yeah. Perfect.
As the cops left.
Perfect. I'm reversing and they're driving by. Look at these new electric FedEx trucks. Crazy. Right now? Perfect, bro. Rogers Stadium in the back. Still call it Skydome in my eyes. Yeah. Look at this.
The human gimbal. Damn, the lighting is so perfect.
The
right
perfect
now.
is like beyond
So
perfect,
perfect.
bro. Yeah, brother. Yeah, it'll be quick. It'll be quick. Thank you. 5 minutes, so just hurry up.
He's gonna try to land it on the pad.
Do it.
Oh, he's gonna land.
Sick. That was the last shot. We're good, right? Hold on. Let her wait 1 second. I'm crazy just with my phone.
Excellent.
Stressed out there or what?
Yeah, a little bit. I couldn't get the other one lined up.
Look at this one. Just with the
Oh,
phone.
yeah, excellent.
All right?
Oh, that is so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys need anything, just text me.
I really appreciate what
Of course.
Like this is incredible.
Yeah.
So, the true telling of a company and its nature is when something goes wrong.
Yep.
And it just gets fixed.
Yep.
And you guys are the top of that. Like, you
Yep.
didn't even blink an eye.
Yep.
And it was-
Oh yeah, we even talked about that. We wanted to do it right away, but remember we were waiting for the warranty for your boomerang things that I call.
Yeah.
It took forever for that, and no matter what, I don't want anything on the streets that's not perfect. And I want my customers to be happy no matter what.
I'm so
Right.
happy.
But it came out way better. It's crazy, just the print, it just kept hey, shit happens. It still looks super badass. It just now it's like the real color, like it's that real wine color. Okay,
Thank you.
enjoy.
Thank you so very
You guys
much.
enjoy the game,
We will. Thank you.
and on to the next project.